Doing it right or wrong can absolutely make or break your trip. You want to be sure that you have everything you need, but you also don't want to overdo it. First things first, you need a great bag. I'm using this Millennial Special Edition from Traveler's Choice. It's a carry-on size. I really love the clear design. It turns a ton of heads in the airport. It's super stylish, and it's a great size because you want to be able to bring everything you need, but you don't want a bag so big that you're going to overpack. The next thing you need are the clothes that go in the bag. The smartest thing you can do is to check the weather report and plan outfits ahead of time, but also be sure that the pieces you're bringing are very basic so that they're super versatile. Things like mid-wash jeans, a dark pair of jeans, basic tees. These can all be mixed and matched to create a ton of different looks. For shoes, remember that they take up a lot of space. So wear something basic like a white sneaker while you're on the plane, because that way you can wear them during the daytime for any of your more casual outfits, and then bring something a little bit more dressy like a nice loafer or some type of boot that you can wear during the nighttime. Next up is a big travel hack that everyone needs to be aware of, and that are these Traveler's Choice packing cubes. It comes with a clear one that you can put all of your toiletries in so you can clearly see if you have everything you need. Plus, it comes with one for socks and underwear. There's one for your different electronics. You can even put your t-shirts and all of your pants in them as well. Plus, because it has this fun design on it and the bag is clear, you can see the design through the case. You're ready to go. Another couple great features on this bag are the anti-theft Tsa Lock on the top, and it also has a portable charger on the back of the bag. So while you're running through the airport, you don't have to worry about losing any charge on your phone or your tablet. You can just plug it right in and stay ready to go.